This is Carol from Komodo. Today we are going to visiting YTO to check out their wheeled tractor, and now we are just arrived at the YTO product site. Look here, you can use counterweight to efficiently prevent the front of the tractor from tilting up. Let's look at the tires. They're ordinary tread tires, which are suited for dry land and long-distance transportation. Get up here. This fully excludes cab is like the command center. It's not just beautiful. It is practical, amazing wide vision, heating, and it is equipped with air conditioning. Driving this all day, no problem. Must be comfort. Thank you guys for seeing our video. If you are interested in learning more, free to contact me.